Hello and welcome to my new channel. I am your host, the Croissant Mafia. And if you've ever dreamed of cooking French dishes, then you've come to the right place. This will be a French cooking channel. And all of the ingredients that will be used in this video and any other video, you can go get at your local grocery store. It's really easy to make. For today, we are going to be making the chocolate mousse, which in French you say...
La mousse au chocolat.
Yes, and if you're wondering who this is Mama Croissant. She will be doing most of the cooking, not me. I will be recording. I will be doing the camera work, but she will be doing everything else. All right, so let's get started. So here are the ingredients and the utensils that you are going to need. You are going to need chocolate, you're gonna need eggs, you're gonna need 2 bowls, a mixing bowl, some salt, a mixer, and you're also going to need a pot. Okay, so for the chocolate, you're gonna need unsweetened chocolate. Here we have 2 examples. We have semi-sweet and bittersweet. The only difference is going to be the taste, but for this video, we're going to be using this one.
So, we start first by opening the chocolate, and you just break it in several pieces because you want everything to fit inside the bowl. Once it's in the bowl, you take the bowl and you bring it to the pot and you just put it inside, making sure that the water is not going in, and you leave it to be melted. Yolk in the whites. Otherwise, it could be problematic for the whites to go up. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to mix it. So how do you know if your whites are ready? It's very simple. You just take your bowl and you turn it. As you can see, the whites, they don't move, so they are ready. So be careful, it might be hot. And you're going to pour the chocolate into the yolks. Now, with the spatula, you're going to mix the chocolate with the yolks. And once everything is mixed, you just take your whites and you're going to pour them with the chocolate. Be careful not to break them. Try not to. And now you always have to mix by rounding your spatula around the whites. Like I said before, you need to try not to break them. That's what is going to give you the consistency of your mousse. You can just clean up the side of your bowl. There it is. That's it. Now you need to put it in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours.
Well, that was it for today's cooking video, guys. That was the chocolate mousse. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it tastes good. I know I will. And I know that my mom... Mom, what are you doing? Mom? Mom!